Okay. So this is question 4A about the theater company. Okay, so we're just looking at a theater company's profit on a production. So P stands for the profit, so the money that they're going to make. And the X stands for the cost of a ticket to go see the production. So just to get a visual of this relationship, right off the bat, I can tell that this is my y-intercept. So here I would have profit versus ticket sales, or ticket cost. And that's profit. So I know 16,500 is my y-intercept. And then it's going to look like that. So the question was asking, how much should you charge to maximize profit? So you want to have the max profit. So you're looking at what's X? How much should the ticket cost? So as soon as I see the max, I right away know I'm looking for the vertex because of that word. And that makes sense, right? Because the max profit is going to occur at that point, and that X value is going to be the value where the tickets will maximize the profits. So we're looking for this value right here, and it's just going to be our X coordinate of the vertex. So you have a couple ways, like with this equation right here, to find the vertex, we know we can complete the square that we learned last year. And we also know we can partial factor. And if you're not already awesome at both of these things, you got to get there because you don't want that to be the hard part of the question. Okay, so I'm just going to complete the square. So I'm going to factor out a 60. So then I have x squared minus 30x plus 16,500. And then I'm going to turn the bracket into a perfect square trinomial. So I'm going to take that 30 divided by 2, get 15, and then 15 squared, which is 225. And I can't just add a random 225, so I also need to subtract it. But I don't actually want that minus 225 to be in my bracket. I want to pull it out. But to pull it out, I have to multiply it by negative 60. And then I'm just going to factor this bracket at the same time, because I know that that's going to factor into x minus 15 squared, because we made it a perfect square, so I know that's what it will look like. Then when I multiply negative 225 by 60, I get, I don't know, positive 13,500 potentially. And then I still have the 16,500. Okay, so then I'll just collect like terms. And I get 30,000. Okay, so we can see that these values are our vertex. So our vertex would occur at 15 and 30,000. So I know the 30,000 is my maximum profit, and I know that the X value is the cost that the tickets should be to maximize the profit. So the answer would be, you should charge $15 per ticket to maximize profits. The end.